How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. So if you want to fix the Messenger floating video call not working on your Android, then what you need to do is just go with your settings. And once you open up your settings, you need to go with the search which is on the upper right, which has that magnifying icon. Now you need to simply search for display over other apps. So search for it. Now tap on display over other apps and tap on that option again. And here you will have all of the applications. So just wait for a few seconds till it loads. Now you just need to simply go with the Messenger option. And under Messenger, make sure that you've allowed the display over other apps, because if you've not allowed this, then you will not be able to have the floating video call working. So just go with it and then just toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, now you just need simply search for picture in picture. Tap on it and then go with picture in picture and go with the Messenger again and make sure that it is allowed. Now after that, what you need to do is just go back and simply tap and hold on to that Messenger application. Go with the app info and tap on storage and cache and go with clear cache. Now you just need to simply go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Messenger floating video call not working on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.